Hi, I'm Coach Kevin Ryan. I coach the cross country team. It's in my opinion, the best fall sport here at Hill Murray. I've been coaching 3 years now. This is my third year coaching, and I've loved every minute of it. It's been challenging, but it's been a lot of fun. The thing I love most about coaching, I guess for me, it would be the relationships with the kids. You see these kids, they come in, and some of them are brand new to Hill Murray. Some of them have been here for years. But just being able to grow in relationship with them through running, through helping them improve, helping them grow in discipline. That's what I really love about coaching, is just being able to get to know the kids better. Um, in terms of our successes, we have actually a very long history. It goes all the way back to the former coach Tim Ryan, who coached here for 40 years. So we have a really long history of success with the program. Recently, right now, our girls team is stellar. Our guys team is really improving, and so we're really excited to see where we end up this year. Um, what we hope our kids get out of the program, ultimately, we hope that the kids they grow in their discipline, they grow in their improvement, but then the skills that they learn through running, this determination and the work ethic, we hope that transfers into all the things that they do in their lives, not just in athletics, but really these are skills that we hope they take with them in their lives.
All right, so the grades that can participate in cross country are grades 7 through 12. Um, so that means any middle schoolers in those two grades, 7th and 8th, can participate, and all grades of high school can participate as well. And as far as skill level goes, among those grades, they can be any skill level from grades 7 through 12. A 7th grader, if they are good enough, can run varsity. Any grade above that can also run varsity. Any grades 7 through 12 could be running JV. It all comes back to how fast they are at the time when we compete in a meet. So if you have any questions about anything that we talked about in this video or just cross country in general, you can reach out to head coach Kevin Ryan, or you can reach out to myself, Shane Hansen. And we look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Bye.